I'm going to video some more since he's staying put. There's my boy Remington. Remy, good boy. Happy running. And there's my girl Tika. Tika, hey, good girl. Good girl. You can see Tika's bald spot. She had cancer twice. The first time they did surgery, radiation, which made the bald spot. Cancer came back a while later. I had to amputate the tail the second time, but thankfully she's been doing good since. No reoccurrence, so hoping she stays clean. It's a little over a year now, but she's a good dog, and she's come back good. She loves coming out running, even on a rainy day. I don't want to scare Tika. Relax. I don't want to scare him off, but it'd be kind of neat if he flew off on his own. Seeing that eagle. He's got wet wings though, and he's no big hurry to fly off yet. They're all hanging down low. I enjoyed the rain though. Cooled it off. Stopped now. It rained about 3/4 of my run. But it's all over now. I'm going to pause this and hopefully he'll fly again. Spreading his wings out a little bit. I don't know if he's trying to dry them. He's getting ready to fly. Preened himself a little bit before. Man, I really wish he would fly off. Ram, knock it off. From here he's probably, I don't know, 30 yards away, 40 yards away, up on top of that tree. It's not too far. He's not bothered by me at all. He keeps looking over, but there's a bunch of brush in between me and him, so he's not overly concerned with me being here. He's preening himself here, so hopefully he's getting ready to do something. We'll see. Been standing there for a long time. I don't know if you can make out the white tail patch there. I can see it real good here. Hopefully you can catch them on the video. Greenback heron over there in the tree somewhere. I don't think he's too happy about the eagle being over here. He's flown by a few times, making a bunch of noise. Come on, baby, fly off. Yeah. You can see the greenback heron right about. He's right on top of that branch there. Kind of blends in with the naked branch. Looks like he might, I don't know if that's his wing or if he's got a loose feather. Something's hanging off him now. I think that might have just been his wing. He's thinking about it, spreading his wings, dry it off. Telling that greenback heron, you keep messing with me, I'm gonna come over there and eat your ass. That's nice, got his wings spread there. Still drying off though. Still printing the feathers. These two smell something in the brush. They want to go in and get it. Easy boy. Tika, chewing up the stick. She wants to chew a stick. He wants to go in the bushes and get something.